In a cute little cabin near the trees, Little Bear woke up with a great big smile. Today was baking day with Papa Bear, and not just anything, but mini donuts. They put on their aprons and washed their little paws well. Flour flew everywhere while they worked together. Papa Bear found his favorite recipe.
Let's bake the yummiest donuts in the world,
He said with a smile. Little Bear poured the milk, Papa Bear cracked the eggs, and they mixed everything while they laughed. They rolled out the dough, cut out little circles, and put them in the oven. While the donuts were baking, they prepared chocolate glaze, vanilla sauce, and colorful sprinkles. The cabin smelled so yummy. Ding! The donuts were ready, golden brown and perfect. Little Bear's eyes opened wide. They dipped and decorated each donut. Mini donuts with white chocolate and bright, colorful sprinkles. These are the most delicious donuts in the world. Papa Bear smiled.
Let's share them with our neighbors.
But Little Bear shook his head no. No, they're too yummy to share. Mine, all mine. I'll eat one every day. But after a few bites, Little Bear felt like something was missing. The cabin was very quiet. No one was laughing. No one was munching happily. Maple, the little dog, looked at Little Bear with big, sad eyes. She sniffed the air and whimpered softly, but her little tail didn't wag. Little Bear looked out the window. His forest friends were laughing and playing by the pond. Fox, Rabbit, and Squirrel were chatting and playing together. Everyone looked so happy, sharing snacks and stories. Little Bear's tummy was full, but his heart felt empty. He missed the joy of sharing with his friends. I think I'll share some. Does anyone want a mini donut?
Yes, please.
Yummy.
That's funny. I thought they were too yummy to share. But now I've learned that sharing them makes them even tastier.
I'm so proud of you, little chef. Sharing makes everything sweeter.
From that day on, Little Bear knew that the best treats are the ones shared with friends. The next baking day, Little Bear and Papa Bear made more mini donuts, this time to share with everyone. And when they were done, they shared the donuts with Fox, Rabbit, Squirrel, and even with Maple, the little dog.
And if you want to read this book anytime you like, just click the link in the description to get your copy.